friends, it's Mrs. Zussman. Today we're talking about letter G. This is the uppercase G. You start here on the red dot and you go around and around and around, and then you come up and then you go across. For lowercase G, you're going to start here at the red dot and you're going to come around almost like it's a circle, come back to the dot and go all the way down. Enjoy doing these pages. Then there's a couple fun sheets you're going to do. This is all different kind of G's. So see what kind of G's. You can circle them, you can make an X on them, whatever you choose to do on this one. On this one, you can make dots or highlight. G is for gingerbread, and this is a pirate gingerbread, but he starts with the letter G. G is for gingerbread. How many G's can you find on this page? And on this page is a different way to write letter G's. Here you can write the uppercase, here you can write the lowercase. Practice writing them. Uppercase, lowercase. Then you can look around your house for letter G's. Can you find it in the toothpaste? Can you find it in the pantry? Where can you find letter G? Have fun. See you later. Bye, friends.